Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Win's Life here. For today's video, we are going to make some soup number 8. 8. 5, 6, 7. Soup number 8. And we are going to make kind of like Zuppa Toscana from Olive Garden. We are recreating that soup, but I really don't know how they make their soup, but this is my version. And I am using kale, potato, and the Italian sausage right here. Italian sausage is the one that we are using for our meat, for our Zuppa Toscana. And I don't know what Olive Garden uses, guys, but this is my version. Okay, so I'm using the Italian sausage because I think Italian sausage has a better flavor for this kind of soup instead of using ground pork. If you cannot find the Italian sausage, maybe ground pork is also good. Because I think this Italian sausage is ground pork, not ground beef. Yeah. And then I have carrots, onions, and garlic. And did I say potato already? And then this is half a cup of milk and 1.5 cup of water, but I think I'm gonna need a little bit more water. And I started cutting our kale. And for the kale, guys, because kale it has a kind of bitter flavor. So if you're not using it, if you're not used to eat kale, it's better if you blanch it first. But I'm used to eat kale already, so I'm not gonna blanch it. But usually I blanch it. But this time we won't blanch it because I'm lazy. So, but anyway, guys, make sure when you're using kale, clean it really good, because you see how the edge, it's kind of like curly. So most of the time there's like sand or bugs or whatever that it's inside those curly side right here. And dry it kind of like this, so everything will fall out. And also don't use the stem for the one that don't know how to use kale, okay? But anyway, yeah, you don't use the middle part because that's really bitter. So what I do, I just, separate it from that stem like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, so just cut it like that. See? And then you just, that's it. Actually, for me, I like it doing just like this than using the knife. It's a lot easier. See? And it depends how you like it. If you like big pieces or small pieces. So for me, I think it's easier if you just do it like this. So sometimes when I try to pull it like this, guys, and it's hard to pull, I don't use that part because it's the old leaves. The old leaves, like it's older leaves, so it's a lot more bitter gonna wash the potato. So the potato, I just want it like cube size. This away so you can see. That size. And of course guys, this is Yukon Gold. And that's all our ingredients. And for our seasoning, I have olive oil, chicken bouillon powder, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Let's start sauteing. I'm going to turn the exhaust fan. I'm going to put olive oil. Just a little bit because I don't know if the sausage will release oil. So we're going to cook the sausage first and let it brown. And what I do is I separate it, but I don't separate it all the way, so you'll get like kind of like chunk. If you're seeing something on the sausage, those are herbs. Smells so good. I'm going to put it aside like this so I can saute the garlic and the onion. Oh my goodness, the smell of the garlic, onion, then mix all together. I'm going to season it. Then I'm going to put the potato. And then our mixture of milk and water. And I'm going to put probably 2 more cups. That looks so delicious. So we're going to wait for that to boil, and I'm going to taste it if it needed more salt. So it is now boiling, guys. I'm going to put the carrots and the kale already because I'll rather have the kale really soft than my potato. I don't like a mushy potato. Look how beautiful the color looks. So we're going to let that boil, and then I'm going to wait until the potatoes are tender, and it is done. Zuppa Toscana. Presenting our soup number 8. Soup number 8, guys. Copied from Olive Garden. But it is my version. So we are on the Italian side this time. And then you can pair it with your favorite crackers. You can, crush the crackers. That's why it's called crackers. You crack it. Right there, like that. And then if you have Parmesan cheese, you can add Parmesan cheese, but I do not have some. Imagine, guys, I ran out of cheese. I have some cheese, but it's not the one that goes to this kind of soup. Let us try the broth first while it is not really hot, warm. Yummy. I don't really taste the pepper flakes though. I'm scared to put a lot. I don't want the pepper flakes to overpower the flavor of the sausage. So guys, if you cannot find the Italian sausage, you can use ground pork. You just need to add Italian herbs like sage or what are the Italian? You Google it. What kind of herbs that are Italian herbs? The broth is really good. It's a good thing it's not bitter. The kale is probably the good kind. It's not the because I had kale before that I tasted it and it's kind of bitter. So let's try the kale if it is not bitter. It's not bitter at all. I didn't even blanch it, so that's a good kale. Oh, now I taste the pepper. Let's taste the potato. I cooked the potato a little too long. A lot softer than I want it to be. But that's okay. It's a soup. The sausage. This is good. Guys, kale is really good for you. Anyway guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll get notified, and please click the thumbs up or the like button so it will help our video a lot if you click the sign like this. So but anyway guys, thank you so much, and we'll see you on our next soup number 9. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.